New Zealand USD, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, as we can see based on the daily chart, still we are within the correction, and especially this one. We want to see what's the next. Whether there is a possibility price to drop here, or still we will be within the correction. In this case, we move to forward charts. We see how we can trade based on the forward chart. Alright. Based on forward chart, if you refer back to my last video when the price was here, we have a different option, and one of the option was a down move. Okay, this is the one we get it. Now we want to see what's the next. Whether we can look for the down move from the correction we have right now. Okay. In this case, we will look into this correction. First of all, this one, do we have a run? We have a divergence. Okay. Now the thing is, we want to look into this correction. If we put this correction 1, 2, 3 in relative to this, shall we expect the price move up? If yes, whether the price from here, or we shall expect the price to drop one more before we get this. Any of them is possible. Okay, in this case, how are we going to trade? First of all, if the price from here sharply move, we don't take the trade. Unless sharp move, give a correction, yes, we can take the trade. But if you want to take the trade, we need to see the risk and reward. And another possibility is that we get the correction here, the price drop. When it drop, you are not sure how deep this one can be, how deep can drop. Anyway, the second option is the price, we get this correction, the price drop, then from there we look for the up move, and we are more interested in this. That means if you want to get this trade, we prefer we get the correction, price drop, then we look for the up move. In this case, next week when the market open, if we get any sell setup from here, we get the sell, and if we get the sell, as long as the price came to this level, break this low, we manage it. Then we see if there is a continuation, we keep it. But if we see there is no continuation, we take out the trade, and if we see any up move, we look for the buy, because we are not sure after if the price from here drop, how deep this one can be. Maybe come to this level, reverse lower, or come to break this low. Even there is a possibility, because we had a divergence, even there is a possibility this one can continue, can come and test this low, because just now I show between these two we have a divergence. If I show again, yes, we have it. Okay, that's why we are more interested first the price drop, and if we can get the sell, we are more interested in down move. Then from there we see if there is a continuation, we keep it. If there is a reversal, then we look for the up move, because we are not sure what type of, if we want to get this without breaking this low, we are not sure whether we get the running flat or expanding. Any flat can be, I mean, it's possible. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Okay, based on the 1 hour chart, again, the best option we wanted, the first things we want to, when the market open, we get the down move. That means we look for sell. And if we get the sell, as long as the price can break this low, we moving, I mean, we get into the profit, we manage it. Then if we see there is a continuation, we keep it. If we see there is no continuation, then we take out the trade. Then if we get the buy setup, we look for buy. This is how we're going to trade for the next week. Okay, this is the way is if the price drops similar to what we have it, and we get this type of the correction and down move. But how about if the price, when the market open, the sharply move, we don't take the trade. The only time is if the sharp move, we get the correction, then we can look into the buy. But if you want to look for buy, we need to see in terms of the risk and reward whether we want to take the trade or not. Okay, the another things, how about if the market open here, we see the correction, the price correcting similar to what we have here, or it give a flat, then we need to see whether we need to look for buy or sell. It depends what type of the correction we will get here. That means if the price from here drop, move like drop, if we get the flat, if we see the correction is changing, then from there we need to make a decision. In that case, if I see this different type of the correction, I will update on the YouTube. But from what we have right now, when the market open, the correction remain as what we have right now, the best things we look for the down move. Anyway, Right now we don't have any trade set up. We just follow the chart when the market open, and if I see any update I will share on YouTube. Thanks.